Friends, I'm Najmanaz from Baby Teen. So welcome to today's video. Today I've got a very special dress to show you, a beautiful trail dress in ocean blue color. So I'm going to show you that. So this is the beautiful dress which I was talking about. This is a single color throughout for the frock and for the back tail. And here the color chosen is ocean blue color, and for this frock the yoke and skirting is separated beautifully with pleats facing downward and pleats facing upward. That means the yoke gatherings are facing upward, and skirting it is facing downward. And here we have used a double bow to give special attraction of same color, and back side we have used a single bow of same color, but it is bigger in size compared to the bows on front side. Now I will show you the trail of this dress. There we have attached a huge trail, and this can be taken out. Like if you want to wear this frock alone, you can wear it by taking the tail completely out, because we have made it in detachable form. So once you are ready to wear the tail, you can attach it and wear. Otherwise you can take it off and wear this frock as well. And the tail which I was talking about is a very huge one. You see, this is a very huge tail. I'll show you in close up. This is the full dress. See, front side and back side, this is the full dress, and back side comes with a very huge tail. You see, such a huge tail. So once your baby is walking like this, this trail continues. See, it continues, very huge tail. So like up to a very long distance this trail continues. You can customize the tail size and colors. You can customize the arrangements of the trail as well. Here, this is the back side of the dress. I have put it like this to show you in detail. The trail is again embossed with frills over here, small tiny gatherings. From till it is going like this throughout the trail, like this, very huge trail, I should say, from here until it comes to the other end. So a single gathering is going throughout, you see, on both the sides, and center part we have made it simple. And if you are going for some fusion theme, you can use this special color choices, or if you would like to see trail in dual color or 3 color, we can change the gatherings arrangements and we can make it in different colors. Also for some trails we can go for pearl embellishment from here throughout the trail. And to add beauty to the trail, I am telling, or if you can make some flowers embossed here and there throughout the trail also. So I told you, no, this is a detachable one, so I am going to take the trail off from the dress. It is as easy as that. You can just take it off, and you can wear this dress alone like this. You can wear this dress alone, and so this was the trail I was talking about. This is so huge, you see. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. So stay tuned. I'll be coming with next video very soon. Bye bye. Take care.